today's chart. So already I have opened today's chart. So yesterday timeline we need to go. So since it is a bigger chart, okay, I'll just zoom it. So many buy and sell calls it has generated from yesterday. But let us look what you left from there. It was around 140 to 2 high. It has reached 36,350. 36,350. Let me check. Okay, here we are. You can see around 2 the high made and sell signal came 36,300. So the next signal came after almost 1.5 hour. You can see it is 34,793. I am showing you live. Sunday also Bitcoin will be traded. It is 24/7. It will. There is no holiday for cryptocurrency. So why I am suggesting to watch this graph is you will get buy signal thing. So even if you want to take small trade in Indian market, this chart and the signal will give you almost 89 accuracy. So even if you say 70% accuracy, but will not be in loss. So instead of what I suggest is, if any chart is in any chart this is giving a sell signal, sell it. Don't wait for too much down. What you need is your expense of brokerage charges and taxes should be covered, and you should have some 4 to 5 points in stock market, like that I am saying. So don't be greedy and wait for the signal to generate. So you can, before that itself, whatever comfortable level you book it. When the next signal came, buy. No need to book here. You make a fresh buy here and again wait for this to go and book out for some 2-3 points or 1 point or 0.8 point. That means after deducting your brokerage charges and all. So you can definitely try out this on a paper trade. Okay, so in next video I am telling how to do paper trade. Don't no need to have any notebook or anything. That is a very beautiful website. It will give you some money for trading. The trading money will be used for buying and selling the stocks Indian market. So here you can practice for 2 weeks, 3 weeks based on the signals generated in this free website tradingview.com, so that you will have this one. So even I will make every day one video in market hours. I will tell you how to do it. First you can observe this. For Indian stocks, futures, options also can be done paper trading. It is not paper trading means you have to write and keep. So no need to write and keep. You can practice it on a website which will give you same like real time market values, buy, sell, volume, everything will be there, but it is a dummy account. So I will open it and show you tomorrow Monday how to do it. Okay, now just made a video that whether this signals for sell and buy are working. So it has worked out, and I have already referring to this from last many days. So from Monday we will start doing it in a dummy account. Okay, so you can also use it. I don't know whether it has got a mobile version or not, but it has a website version. Let me make a one video for that. Okay, so the website is called, if you Google it, it will come as a Neo Stocks. So here you can see Neo Stock online virtual trading market. I think here also you can do. Already since I have registered, you need to just register in this. So we'll just click here. So here it gives Here also this chart is they have a collaboration with TradingView, but here you won't get that the signals or chart indicators which are there in TradingView. You have to get in there only, because it is not inbuilt by TradingView software. It is done by some user who is very expert in trading, so people use his indicators for trading intraday. So here you can see, yesterday only I opened in this website. So here you can see that they have given 1 lakh for me to trade. So here I have already added something. Even I think commodities also can be traded. Yes, commodities also can be traded. So when you open and just log in your trading dashboard, it will show like that. So remember this is Neo stock. So I don't know whether Bitcoin is there, but it is, I think, Indian market. Bitcoin is not there. Okay, so we'll from Monday we'll try to see how these strategies will work if you are a real trader. So this is I think 10 lakhs, no, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Yeah, they have given a 10 lakh, and you will since there is no this one, I will be doing it tomorrow. But you can find a lot to practice, maybe 15 days or 1 month you can practice. If you are a already trader and you want to make some this one, you can always use this and try it for 3-4 days. You can also use your ideas, you can also make some charts, support, resistance, but everything is inbuilt, means no need to go like that. So here I have added some you can see by some user, super trend. Okay, so this is the thing. So tomorrow we'll start. It will use exactly like what NSE is asking margins. You have 10 lakhs, you can take position in futures, options, like that. And there is a trade panel. It says I also not fully gone in this. So I was looking for a paper trades to make you people understand. So we'll go here option analyzer. I don't know whether since it is holiday. So let's say I'll take since SBN is on my radar, because I am very bullish on this one. I don't know why SBN has not come. State Bank of India. So this is monthly inquiry. So there are lot of option here. I also not observed. Indicate out of the many option, and this is for this one. But I think for beginners no need to do options. Better since the market is off, it is not showing any buyers and seller. Okay, but it is showing the correct price. So we'll come to know this in the when the market is open. Other things are here like same like whatever you trade with other terminals, it is same like that. Pending orders, active position, day entry, what is the PL, what is the active position, like that. So you can go here and watch. So tomorrow we'll practice this, and you also practice in this dummy account. They are giving 10 lakh, so that you will know that with 10 lakh, even if you are going to do, how you successfully will be. So here equities analyzer, I don't know. Okay, we'll take Nifty Bank, how it has done last this one. So here it is very nice thing to look for the all the datas. You won't find at your broker. Change percent, he is selling change percent. Volume, by volume also you can see symbol low high change open this volume. Since today is holiday, there will not be volume, but you can check all those things where people are buying. Even if you want to buy stock, you can see by volume how much people are this one. This is about spread. Since holiday, it won't show that one, so these things all will check. But for beginners, I don't recommend options, but just for seeing you are going through. So the means straddle means it is like buying one put option and one sell option, or selling C also can be straddle. But you can practice everything here when the market opens. So it says SBN June 400. C it is telling 30.45. P LTP both you have to buy. So let us check it on the when the market opens. So now, since it is a dummy account and this account whatever they are giving is a virtual amount of money, you can try everything till you make a good profit and have a hold on it, and use this indicator, super trend indicator. Definitely you will have some money. This will start doing on 1 or 2 weeks on daily basis, so that you will have a mastery over buy and sell in the live market. Okay, so thank you, we'll see again on this one. So remember this site, but you have to log in, you have to give your email, my ID and phone number to verify your account. Once it is verified, it will take 2 minutes. You will just come and add here. So it will show the summary also day wise, and this one. This much facility is not there in the regular brokers also. What these guys are doing, they are giving everything: margin use, completed trades, win rate, realized profit, brokerage. There will be the taxes and fee, net profit, everything they are giving. It's very beautiful. So let's see on Monday. Okay, bye.